Hello friends! In this video, we'll see how to use the RestoPos desktop app step by step. So let's get started. Step 1. First, open the RestoPos desktop app. After logging in, you'll see the main menu options on the left side: POS, Orders, and Settings. At the bottom, you can choose to run the application in either online mode or offline mode. At the top navigation, you can monitor the live status of delivery, dine-in, and pickup orders. You can also click the refresh option to update the latest data. Step 2. Printer settings. Now open the printer settings. Select the connection type as either USB or direct TCP. After selecting the printer, click Test Billing Print to verify that the printer is working correctly. If you're using a kitchen printer, select the appropriate connection and perform a test print. To add additional printers, click the Add Printer option. Enter the printer name and printer service name, then click Save. You can add as many printers as required using the same process. You can also choose your preferred application theme. Additionally, you can switch the product display between Grid View and List View. Step 3. Next, open the receipt header section. Enter your business details such as GST number, FSSAI number, and tax ID. In the receipt footer section, you can add a thank you message, welcome message, or any custom message you'd like customers to see. If you'd like to display an image in the footer, upload the image and save it. Then, go to the restaurant info section. Enter your restaurant name, upload your business logo, and click Save to complete the setup. Step 4. Next, open the print log section. Here, you can view the history of all previously printed bills. Then, open sync settings. Set the auto sync interval, for example 5 minutes, to automatically synchronize data. If you need an immediate update, simply click the Sync Now button. When using the application in offline mode, configuring the offline order number is important. For example, setting it as OFF001 will generate offline orders in sequence. Once the setup is complete, click Save. Step 5. POS Billing. Now go to the POS section. You'll see the complete product list on the screen. The categories are displayed on the left side. You can quickly search for products using the search bar. Alternatively, you can directly select products from the category list. After selecting a product, choose the required quantity. Based on your requirement, select KOT Print, KOT Bill Print, or Bill Print and Payment. Once you receive the customer's payment, click the Pay button. The bill will be generated instantly and printed automatically. Step 6. Orders Management. Next, open the Orders section. Here you can monitor and manage all restaurant orders based on their status. All orders, unpaid orders, cooking orders, confirmed orders, billed orders, paid orders, canceled orders. All order statuses can be managed easily from a single screen. Step 7. Finally, open the Settings option. By default, the General Information page will open. Here, you can view your branch name, server connection status, application version, location, and platform details. In the Account section, you can manage your login account details. That's it, friends. Now your RestoPos desktop app is fully configured. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and follow our channel for more useful videos. Thanks for watching.